New Zealand West Coast 12:34 p.m. today. A helicopter with a monsoon bucket was used to fight a major fire in an aircraft hangar at Neils Beach on the west coast today. The fire, about 40 kilometers southwest of Hust, was reported just after 9 a.m. It is now out, but has left the building extensively damaged. Fire crews were on the way from Hust, Franz Josef and Fox Glacier. The fire service said there were no aircraft inside the hangar. The hangar is believed to be owned by Greenstone Helicopters and is also the base for a fishing company. Tags copyright 2017, Radio New Zealand. Next story in New Zealand.